Before you're here, I'll make you up inside my mind. My future love. It's taking so long to feel what I say, but it's never been about me anyway. You look me in the eyes and I'm brand new. There's only one thing that's left to do. I'll bring you home.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. Cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions they haunt me and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't. Son of a southern man, daughter of a freed man, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candle by stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but